Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do the unboxing of two things. So this is the whiteboard and this is the marker. So first we are going to do the unboxing of this whiteboard. So now I am going to open this whiteboard. And I had bought it from Amazon. And the product of this whiteboard is Angel Deer Whiteboard. It is a wall sticker. And it is removable and it has one marker. So this is the box of the whiteboard. So the size of this whiteboard is 45 centimeter and 45 centimeter multiplied by 200 centimeter. The price is $399. Now I'm going to open the box. This is the whiteboard. Then when we open this sticker, then we will stick on the wall. The price of this whiteboard is $399, and you can use it on any surface, and it is it has multiple uses. It custom sizes, using wet cloth to clean. Every time you use wet cloth to clean, and it has one water pan in this. Here inside this it has one water pan. So I had already opened the plastic of this whiteboard. So this is the whiteboard part, and from inside it looks like this. So when we'll remove this paper, then we could stick on the wall or any other smooth surface. And you can use this on any surface. It has multiple uses. And you can cut into into custom sizes. You can use a wet cloth to clean, or you can use also a duster. And it has one water pan, and it lasts up to 2 years. Okay, so it is durable. So in this set we got a marker also. So this is the marker. So now I'm going to check how the pen works, how the marker works. So now I'm going to open it a little.
You can open more, no problem.
So this is how it looks. Now I'm going to rub it with this small duster only. Otherwise we can use our home duster also, and it works great. So I have done the unboxing of this. Now I'm going to do the unboxing of the second product. So this is our second product, and it is it has 6 markers. So first I'm going to open it. So these are the markers. It has 6 markers. This is blue, black, red, green, orange and pink color. So the product of this is, so now I'm going to open this. So the product of this is Whitemate Cello, and it is refillable. So now after opening this, I'll come back. So I have already opened this pouch. So the price of these markers are 150 rupees, and it is multicolored. It has brilliant visibility and dry wipe from whiteboards. It is safe for children. Store horizontally like this. Okay. Recap after use. So recap after use and then refill with Cello Whiteboard marker ink for best result. Okay. So now I am going to write it on the whiteboard. So I am writing my channel name. So please subscribe my channel. So I hope you liked unboxing these products with me. So please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my videos. Till then, I'll meet you in next videos. Thank you and bye. So now I'm going to go and paste it. So after pasting, then I will show you. Okay, thank you. Photo ले रही हूँ. नीचे बता.
In this we have to peel this paper and then stick it on wall.
अरे यार कहाँ जा रही है? कोई बात नहीं.
Now our board is ready.
Yes.
We already pasted whiteboard. Now we are checking. Write down bigger in size. Yes, it's working now. You can see. Yay, we also have board. Do you like, Anna?
Yeah.
Look at this side. Yeah. So we cut it in pieces, in 3 pieces. 2 pieces we stuck here and 1 piece we will stick somewhere else. So please subscribe our channel RNAJAIN 4510. Also like, comment and share our videos with your loved ones. We are waiting for your feedbacks. Thank you. Have a nice day. We'll meet you in another video. Till then, bye.